How to fix unable to download WhatsApp media on Samsung device or Samsung smartphone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can fix if you aren't being able to download medias from WhatsApp app. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So assuming that somebody sent you a photo or video or any type of file on WhatsApp, you're not being able to download those medias, the very first thing to check is simply your internet connection. So try to use other social media apps as well and see if that fixes the issue, because most of the time your internet connection could be the sole cause of all these problems. If this didn't help, we're also going to check if we have enough storage on our smartphone. So we'll open settings and then we will go to the option called battery and device care. So simply go to battery and device care and you can see storage. In my case, I have 65 gigabytes available, so certainly this isn't the issue. But if you don't have some kind of space available on your smartphone, then that could be another reason why you aren't being able to download the medias from WhatsApp. Second to none, the other thing we have to check is if there is an update for the WhatsApp app available. So we will open up our Play Store and in the search box we will simply type in WhatsApp, and if there are any type of updates available for the WhatsApp app, I would always recommend you to update the WhatsApp app to the latest version. So if it says open, it means your app is already updated, and if it says update, then you might need to update your application. So go ahead and then do that as well. I would also recommend you to simply clear the cache files. So come back to settings and then go to apps. Once you go to apps, go ahead and then simply look for WhatsApp. So let me just go ahead and then search for the WhatsApp app. As you could see, as I tap on WhatsApp, go to storage and here tap on clear cache. Do not tap on clear data because that is going to delete all of your messages. And hopefully one of these solutions should definitely work for you. If it did work for you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end and see you soon in our next video.